Does he want a jury trial? What are we doing?
And boom, we're off. The judge isn't wasting time. But hold up, does he want a jury trial? This line sets the whole tone. It's plea deadline day, and decisions are about to get real. What would you do? Take a deal or roll the dice with a jury?
So I conferred with the state on this. Last setting I filed a motion to substitute, which was granted. I had an opportunity to review the discovery, Your Honor, and noticed that I was missing the
No, not see it. Yeah, that can this. That's good.
Right.
Let's see on Rogelio Alfonso Elizondo. If they can come up.
Okay. Just so the court's aware, I was out of town this morning. I let the court know, so
Problem.
that's why I was late.
All right. So today is plea deadline date. Does he want a jury trial? What are we doing?
So I conferred with the state on this. Last setting I filed a motion to substitute, which was granted. I had an opportunity to review the discovery, Your Honor, and noticed that I was missing the dash cam for the arresting officer, the person that actually stopped him. I let the ADAs know that, and they've requested that via email.
Requesting a 2-week delay to get the dashcam footage. That's not just a stall tactic. That footage could make or break a case. Remember, if it's not in discovery, it doesn't exist in court. Critical move here.
I'd like the court, if possible, to give me 2 weeks so that they can get that discovery. I don't think it's going to take that long, but so I can review it before we proceed.
All right, Norma. I need a 2-week reset, and it's a plea deadline date.
June 26th.
All right, June 26th.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, once you sign the reset form, your excuse. You're welcome.
Next up, Rebecca Davis. And this isn't a trial, it's a plea for a second chance. She's asking for an occupational license, and this moment is packed with stakes. Driving is freedom, especially when you're rebuilding your life after trouble.
Rebecca Davis. Hello.
Hi.
All right, so have you conferred with the state?
Yes, I have, and they are not opposed to the occupational license. She is currently complying with her conditions, which is to have the interlock device. So she has that on her vehicle.
Okay, we'll need to go on the record.
Okay.
All right. Could I have someone from the state? The court is calling 2025 CR 003154, which is the trial court cause number, and 2025 CI 11673, which is the civil request for the occupational driver's license. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Arlene Kay from Ms. Davis.
And are you Ms. Davis? Yes. All right, so there's a request for an occupational license, and you may proceed.
Your Honor, my client filed this pro se, and I found out that I was...
Oh, notice the careful buildup. She's in rehab, has a job, lined up, and complies with her probation. The defense is painting a picture of responsibility. But here's a question. Should a history of addiction permanently restrict your right to drive, even with safeguards?
Appointed to assist her today. So I have gone over the document. We talked about it. She does have the interlock device on her vehicle. This is an essential need. She is starting a job on the 26th of this month. She is living in the SOBA facility, rehabilitation facility.
Mhm.
They do allow vehicles, and besides the interlock device, she is tested for drugs and alcohol routinely while she is there. She wants to start her job. Also, she will need to drive to get to not only in the future doctor's appointments, but also appointments related to her probation. And then we have the household going to HEB, getting gas, things like that she's asking to go to. I believe that the statute allows to drive up to 12 hours a day. I think she put from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. now.
Well, what I can tell you all, and let's go off the record. Okay, this is what I need that's not in this document. I don't have any proof that she has insurance. So if we can have that in the document.
She has her SR-22 with her.
So if you want to make copies of that,
Okay.
or is that your copy?
Yeah.
I will have my interlock, my driver's record.
That's what all needs to be here. So
All these are copies, so
Okay.
and my treatment, presence of treatment letter and my actual driving.
all right, State, have you had a chance to view those?
I believe my co-counsel has.
Okay.
We have no objection, Your Honor.
All right, so that's what I would need. And also, there is a section in here.
Small detail, big consequences. She forgot to include an actual court order with the paperwork. That's like baking a cake and forgetting the oven. Legal lesson. No matter how sympathetic your case, the process always matters.
That they want you to check off the times that she would need to be driving. So if y'all could go through that document or make a copy of the document, because technically it's filed. And if you all can make a copy of the document and put in what you need to put in.
Okay. And Your Honor,
And with that, she's got a second shot. The judge shows some real humanity here. A reminder that courtroom drama isn't just law, it's life. What do you think? Was the judge fair? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
do you want these attached to
Yes.
it? So I can get it and just put first amended
Yes.
and attach proof, and then
So I'll need the proof of ignition interlock,
Mhm.
the proof of insurance,